Hi, Peanut. Hi, Cassidy. How are you? I got another book for you. Okay. It's called Can You See Me? Look, it's an invisible dinosaur. Let's see. There's a lot of dinosaurs. Can you see me? Can you see me? I am yellow. Here's a sun and a fire hydrant. Now I'm pink. Where is it? Do you see it? Now over here. Now I am as black as ink. Whoa, cool. He was pink. See? And now he's black, like ink. Cool. Can you find me in this tree? I'm leafy green and hard to see. Where's the dinosaur? There he is, right? He's got his hand sticking up there. Say hi. Hi, dinosaur. And look at the balloon. It's super cute. It's a big balloon. What do we got here? Take a look. I have a trick. I'm red, just like a wall of brick. Where do you see him? There he is. I see him. Look at the man, he's raking leaves. I wonder what's inside those presents. Hey there. Hi there. Now I'm blue. Blue? I don't see him. I'm swimming with a kangaroo. In the water with... There it is. He was under the kangaroo. I see. Wow. He's going to jump in the pool. That's a big jump. Boom. Psh. I'm white, too bright, then dark as night. It's dark. Can you find me way up high? I'm hiding in the cloudy sky. Where is it? Point to it. There it is. We can see you hiding there. We can see you anywhere. They're two friends. I'm orange, I'm brown, I'm all over town. Look, where is he? One there, one there, one there, and one there. Well, he's holding on to the street light. Maybe he's gonna fall down. Purple tulips, roses too, hide me in a place that's new. Where is he? I see him right there. Look at the house. He's crooked. I'm checkered in squares. I'm hiding on stairs. I'm inside a box. I'm gray like the rocks. Inside a box. Gray like the rocks. There he is, gray like the rocks. I'm checkered in squares and then hiding on the stairs. I see it. Look, the thing's up. He's got some mail. From my head to my foot, I'm covered in soot. What is soot? Then the rain makes me clean. Hey, look, now I'm green. Oh, soot must be all this cloudy stuff. Yeah. Can you see me in the store? I'm hiding near the yellow door. Hiding near... There he is. We can see you hiding there. We can see you anywhere. I'm as gold as wheat. I'm a peppermint sweet. She's gonna lick him. Look out, now I'm a violet, a daredevil pilot. Then with a balloon, I'm off to the moon, but I'll return soon. The end. That's it. Love you guys. Bye, Cassidy. Bye, Trinity. Mwah. Mwah. Love you.